One day, a little red hen found some wheat seeds. "Who will help me plant these?" she asked. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the pig. So the hen planted them herself. The wheat grew tall. "Who will help me cut the wheat?" she asked. "Not I," said everyone. So she did it herself. Then she made flour. Then she baked bread. Finally, she asked, "Who will help me eat this bread?" "Me! Me!" they all said. But the hen said, "No, I will eat it myself." And she did, because she worked hard and she